Hello guys, welcome to PlaybookFX and welcome to my weekly trade recap. In this video, I'll be explaining the reason why I took some trade, the winning trade I had during the week, the losing trade, the trade I missed, stuffs like that. If this is the kind of content you would love to see often and often on my channel, please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Without saying too much, please let's get right into the video. Last week, I had this markup. We'll not be wasting too much time on the weekly this time. So we had this markup last week, and I was expecting price. This was where the change of character happened. This was where the change of character happened. So I'm expecting price to retrace back to this level before continue selling to the downside. That is my expectation on GBP USD. And if you go to daily, you see the reason why I'm expecting that to happen clearly. So on daily, what do you have on daily? You can see daily, this was where we had that change of character on weekly. On daily, we had this mitigation. We had all this mitigation. We had this mitigation as well. Last week, I was expecting price to retrace to this level for price to sell from anywhere from here. You go to let me go to 1 hour. You go to 1 hour and let's check the order flow here. What I can see from this side of the market is that we had a sweep of liquidity, price kept sweeping liquidity, and price eventually mitigates something here and eventually breaking structure to the downside. Now, after price broke structure, we had some break of structure after that again. We had some break of structure after that. So price has come to this level, reacted to this level, but failed to take out this low. So if price was supposed to sell from here, when price came to this level to mitigate this level, I'll be expecting price to continue selling to the downside if price was supposed to sell from here. But since price did not do that, price took this internal liquidity but failed to break this low. Then since price is trying to protect this low, that means price wants to go higher. The next area where price can actually react to is this area here. And this can also facilitate price to continue selling to the downside. All we need to do is to follow order flow. And what is currently happening on GBP USD, that price is mitigating demand, price is still respecting demand, price respected this demand, we are expecting demand, and on Friday, price eventually came, swept this low. After price swept this low, price took out this low again. So coming to chart on Monday, I don't trade on Monday. So Tuesday is when I engage in the market. Let me take price to Tuesday, London session. I noticed that on Friday, there was this level here. The price swept and it eventually broke structure here. So I was expecting price to come back to this zone here for me to look for sale. But what did price do on Friday? Price never tapped that zone. On Monday, price violated this level that I was expecting price to respect on Friday. This was a valid protected high because why? It swept liquidity and broke structure and probably mitigated something inside here. When price violates a protected high, a protected low, pay attention to what price do after breaking that your POI. Now what price did is price left this fair value gap here. Coming to the chart on Tuesday, I noticed that during Asian session, price was sweeping liquidity close to my previous point of interest. Price was sweeping liquidity. We're having multiple sweep of liquidity here. The first thing I did is I had my limit order set around somewhere around there, and my first target was for price to do what? Was for price to take out this high. That was my target. I took the trade. It was a 1:5 hour trade. price can target, play around that area for a while. Now, when price took off from here, started paying attention to what price was doing from this area, what price was doing here. Now, the price is coming from somewhere significant here. Price is coming from this area here. This area, this is where price is coming from. Me knowing that I had this area as well marked out. Why? It's because this area swept liquidity and it led to this breakup structure. Also have an had an inducement close to it, and yeah, I play price, and eventually price hit my target here. Now, if you notice again, what happened here? This was a protected eye. This was a protected eye, and it has an inducement. The same thing that happened here. The same thing that happened here. If you watch the video I made one video explaining the reason, my thought process around here. If you watch the video to the end, I gave a signal that price may likely come to this area and continue to buy to the upside. All I was expecting is for price to take out this side, then I'll be looking for buy to the upside. Playing price forward on Wednesday. I was expecting price to like come to this area on Wednesday, then buy, and I'm using this area as an inducement. So that's my expectation. Price did not come to this my POI. Price broke structure to the upside. Even sweeping liquidity here, mitigating the area I marked as an inducement. This area would have been my point, another area I'll be looking to buy from, but price did not give a clean inducement in this POI. So I was not expecting price to buy from here. Price did something like this. This low that was supposed to be protected was taken out. This area that was supposed to be protected, the swept liquidity, the broke structure was taken out. So I had a POI here, and I was expecting price to also come to somewhere around here and sell. The only area I can spot here is this area. Everything here has been mitigated. So let's see what happened. I did not take this. I missed on this, and I was able to learn my lesson from that. So price on Thursday eventually came to this area, but I'm taking that to be 1:4. So that is what happened on Thursday, and price eventually broke this structure to the upside. And from there price keep pushing to the upside. And on Friday I was unable to get into any trade. On Friday I was expecting something like this during the New York session. We had this breakup structure here, and I was expecting price to come to this level here to take out this low as an inducement. But what did price do? Price bought from my inducements. This was supposed to be my entry. I wanted to enter here, and my target was for price to even do like 1:5 or mitigate something here. Yeah, this area was where I was looking for price to come to this zone here. So where I was looking for price to come to. 1:5 out there, but price never got to that area. So those are the trades. And yeah, I took one loss here. Honestly, I took the loss here. And the reason why I took this loss is because, yeah, it is what it is. It's because I noticed a protected low that created this side, and I was expecting price to respect here. So, but price did not respect that. So I took an entry somewhere around there, and it failed. So I took the loss, and took a loss here. I took a loss here, and I missed this one. The lesson I was able to learn from this is that I should always stick to my plan, to my initial plan, and allow price to do its thing. I would have gotten like these 2 wins. I only got this one win. I took one loss. I missed this one, and I missed this one as well. So that is it on GBP USD this week. If you have any trade that you would like me to analyze, please let me know in the comment section, and in my next video I will try my possible best to look at this. Currently I'm only trading GBP USD. Obviously you can notice from my previous videos I'm sometimes good, but most time GBP USD. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification so as when I drop a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and God bless you.